Hey there, it's Ben Housel, and here in this tutorial we're going to be having a look at how we manage multiple clip lengths on the Final Cut Pro 10 timeline when they're in connected clips. So we're going to be having a look at how we actually shorten or lengthen or kind of manage precise duration for clips when they're stacked up in layers on your Final Cut Pro 10 timeline. Now if you like these kinds of tips and tricks of Final Cut Pro or tutorial reviews, then please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications button below. But without further ado, let's dive in and have a look at how we manage multiple clip lengths on connected clips in the Final Cut Pro 10 timeline. So there's a couple of very cool ways in which we can extend our clips on connected clips. The first option is if we hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and tap the right square bracket, and that will trim our clips down to a certain length. Now if we want to extend our clips beyond a certain point, say this point in the timeline, we can select all those clips and type Control or hold down Control and tap D, and then type in a duration. So I'm going to type in 2 ... or 2 full stop, and that will extend my clips beyond my playhead. So I've kind of made a guesstimate as to how long they should be. And now with all those clips selected, if I hold down Alt and the right square bracket, it will trim those down. Now if I have clips that are staggered like this, perhaps you've got some cross dissolves on there, so I'm going to add some cross dissolves here at the end of these clips, so we can see we've got some short cross dissolves there. And basically I want to extend all these out by 10 seconds, or a certain number of frames. So if I select all of these clips, I'm holding down the Command key to do that, and do Control and D, I can type in plus on the keyboard and then 10 ... and that will increase the duration of all those clips by 10 seconds. So if I zoom out here, we can see it a bit more clearly. So if I hold down Control and tap D and then plus, say 5.15, so I have 5.5 seconds, it will increase the length of all of those by exactly 5.5 seconds. So you can really control all your connected clips in a nice way on the timeline. We can also subtract. So if I do Control and D and minus 6.20, so 6 seconds and 20 frames, it will subtract all of those by the same amount. So I just wanted to share that with you. I've been using it a lot in my tutorials to kind of get the timing of the connected clips just right, and hopefully it's useful for you as well.